Welcome back, and buckle up. Today's footage is flat out insane. We kick things off with a wild hit and run that escalates into a full-blown shootout. Then a tailgater almost plows into the car ahead because apparently brake pedals are optional these days. We've got impatient morons playing chicken with common sense and brainiacs out here brake-checking big rigs like they're invincible. It's chaos, it's stupidity, it's peak Dashcam content, and there's plenty more that'll make you question humanity. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the madness.
Christ! Just assume that I'm not gonna go straight.
Right.
Still kind of red.
Just completely just ran it.
Yeah.
Didn't even put his brake lights on like he knew what he was doing.
Stupid jackass!
That dude just pulled right out in front of them.
Right in front of him. That was stupid.
So when you go there, he's going to be my tour guide.
So in other words, when you were in Utah, how did you dress up? Like, what'd you do? Holy mother of fucking dumbass. What the...
Thanks for watching and have a great day.